definitely. At saka, it will be, can you imagine there have been 31 judges that have been killed in the last 10 years. 6 na kaso ang na-dismiss pa. So, kailangan, di ba nakapending pa. So, kailangan talaga. Ang pinakamabilis na solution para sa crime is mabilis tayo kumilos.
Sir, how many more hearings po yung gagawin ng
I have a final hearing next week. Actually, I don't need it. I just want to be sure na maayos na lahat. No? Dahil yung pag-appoint, halimbawa, dapat dadaan nga sa Supreme Court yan, kung Supreme Court na mag-appoint. Pero dapat, yung iba na, yun ang Chief Marshal, siya na mag-appoint sa kanya ng mga appoint. Pero pwede pa rin check and balance yung tatlong members sa Supreme Court na titingin na.
How many marshals are we looking at?
We're looking about 1,000 marshals. I would even put it at 1,500.
To secure how many judges?
Ilan judges? No judges? No. 5,000 judges? No, I think I'm not going to answer that because I'm not prepared to answer that. Ayoko magsabi na, hindi ko alam ang sinasabi ko. But I would imagine that there would be about at least 2,000 to 5,000 judges, but that's an imagination that I will prefer upon you. But one thing, the marshals must be in every court. No? So, I don't mind, kasi kinumpit kanina ng Senator Raksha at saka ng DBM, abot ng halos 1 billion, tapos pati na yung mga transportation, at lahat pa yung mga kailangan nilang gamit, abot siya siguro mga 2 billion. I don't mind giving them a strong budget, so long as we protect our judges. And more judges will apply. Kasi ngayon hindi na nag-a-apply ang mga judge. Nakaupo ko sa Judicial Bar Council. Ang dami nag-a-apply na. I don't mean na porque bumaksak ka sa bar, hindi ka pwede. Siyempre, may mga other circumstances. Pero, iba natatakot. Ngayon, marami nag-a-apply kahit na, dahil mataas na sweldo ng judge. Pero kahit na mataas na sweldo ng judge, kung matatakot sila, sayang. Sayang lang.
Sir,